Should I eat it or do you want to keep it for decoration?
If you want to eat it, you can.
Is it vegan?
Yes.
I actually like it. Chocolate 3D printers are not new anymore. They've been around for a while. But the other day I was at an exhibition and I saw this young researcher who optimizes chocolate 3D printers. So I stopped by and I asked her a few questions. She showed me how the printer has a piston-based system that precisely controls the flow of molten chocolate. She also showed me how the object is constructed layer by layer and how the printer has a motion control system to maneuver the extrusion nozzle in 3D space. Here's the conversation in real time.
Yes.
So, where's the chocolate being heated?
Inside the cone.
Inside of this cone here.
Yes.
It's being heated with heating coils. So
There is. There's this extruder, and you put hot chocolate inside.
as a pallet,
Yes. And it heats the chocolate and press.
So this is chocolate?
This is chocolate.
Why is it pink?
Chocolate, yeah, white chocolate with pink pigment.
Okay.
You do it inside
And how do you heat it?
the machine.
So this is the cylinder in the middle,
Yes.
and then around it you have heating elements.
Yes.
Got it.
And then you press and the chocolate comes out.
Got it. Really cool. And then you get something like this.
Yeah.
Oh, can you hold this one for me here? And then you can eat it. Thank you.